Today's quiz is related to solar system. This quiz is useful for all exams. So let's start. Question 1. What is the approximate diameter of the observable universe in billion light-years? A. 13.8 billion. B. 27.6 billion. C. 46.5 billion. D. 93 billion. Answer: D. 93 billion. Explanation. The observable universe refers to the portion of the universe that we can see, limited by the time it takes for light to reach us. While the universe is constantly expanding, the diameter of the observable universe is estimated to be around 93 billion light-years. Question 2. What is the approximate diameter of the Milky Way galaxy in kilosparsecs? A. 5. B. 10. C. 20. D. 30. Answer: C. 20. Explanation. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy estimated to be about 100,000 light-years across. To convert to kiloparsecs, we divide by 1,000, 1 kpc equals 1,000 light-years. Therefore, the Milky Way's diameter is approximately 100,000 light-years / 1,000 is equal to 100 kpc. However, due to the presence of a large halo of dark matter extending beyond the visible disk, a more accurate estimate for the Milky Way's diameter is around 20 kpc. Question 3. In which constellation can you find the closest large spiral galaxy to the Milky Way? A. Sagittarius. B. Andromeda. C. Ursa Major. D. Orion. Answer: B. Andromeda. Explanation. While several dwarf galaxies reside closer to the Milky Way, the Andromeda Galaxy, Messier 31, stands out as the nearest large spiral galaxy, located roughly 2.5 million light-years away. It's visible to the naked eye under dark skies and resides in the constellation Andromeda. Sagittarius and Ursa Major contain dwarf galaxies closer to the Milky Way, but these are much smaller and fainter than Andromeda. Orion doesn't house any major galaxies, only prominent nebulae and star clusters. Question 4. Which of the following is the most recently discovered galaxy that holds the title of newest known galaxy? A. HD 160642b, B. Jades GS Z13-0. C. Hippas J1131, 31. D. GN Z11. Answer: B. Jades GS Z13-0. Explanation. While all the listed galaxies are recent discoveries, the title of newest known galaxy belongs to Jades GS Z13-0. Discovered in 2022 by the James Webb Space Telescope, it boasts a redshift of Z equals 13.2, placing its formation only 250 million years after the Big Bang. HD 160642b is a candidate exoplanet, not a galaxy. Hippas J1131, 31, nicknamed Peekaboo Galaxy, is a nearby dwarf galaxy, discovered in 2013. GNZ11 held the title of the oldest and most distant galaxy until Jades GS Z13-0's discovery.
Question 5. Which planet in our solar system is the smallest by diameter? A. Earth. B. Mars. C. Mercury. D. Venus. Answer: C. Mercury. Explanation. The size of the planets of the solar system is as follows: Jupiter, 143,870 km. Saturn, 120,536 km. Uranus, 51,118 km. Neptune, 49,240 for km. Earth, 12,740 to km. Venus, 12,100 for km. Mars, 6,779 km. Mercury, 4,879 km. Question 6. Which planet in our solar system holds the dual title of smallest by diameter and lightest by mass? A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Earth. D. Mercury. Answer: D. Mercury. Explanation. Mercury not only boasts the smallest diameter in our solar system, with a mere 4,879 kilometers, but it also tips the scales as the lightest planet, clocking in at just 0.055 times the mass of Earth. While Mars may be smaller than Earth, it significantly outweighs Mercury, and Venus, though slightly smaller in diameter, holds a heftier mass. Therefore, the crown for both smallest and lightest belongs to the speedy Mercury. Question 7. Which planet in our solar system rotates clockwise, unlike most others that spin counterclockwise? A. Earth. B. Mars. C. Venus. D. Jupiter. Answer. C. Venus. Explanation. While most planets in our solar system rotate counterclockwise on their axes, Venus takes the opposite approach, spinning clockwise. This retrograde rotation makes it unique among the planets and contributes to its unusual and harsh environment. Question 8. Which of the following are the two natural satellites of Mars? A. Phobos and Deimos. B. Ganymede and Europa. C. Io and Rhea. D. Titan and Enceladus. Answer. A. Phobos and Deimos. Explanation. Phobos is the larger of the two Martian moons, while Deimos is smaller and further away. Phobos is actually in a very close orbit around Mars, and it is slowly spiraling in towards the planet. It is possible that it will crash into Mars in the distant future. Question 9. Which celestial body boasts the highest mountain in our solar system? A. Mount Everest. B. Olympus Mons. C. Mauna Kea. D. Rhea Silvia Mons. Answer. B. Olympus Mons. Explanation. Olympus Mons, a shield volcano on Mars, stands at a staggering 25 kilometers 16 miles tall, making it easily the highest mountain in the solar system. Earth's Mount Everest, while impressive at 8.848 kilometers, pales in comparison. Venus Mauna Kea holds the title of tallest mountain above its planet's surface, but its total height from base to peak is only 10 kilometers, while Rhea Silvia Mons on the asteroid Vesta is sometimes mentioned as a contender. Its height is still a matter of debate and likely falls short of Olympus Mons. Question 10. Which event marked the beginning of India's independent space program and its collaboration with the Soviet Union? A. The launch of Aryabhata, the first Indian satellite, in 1975. B. The establishment of ISRO in 1969. C. The formation of the Indian National Committee for Space Research INCOSPAR in 1962. D. The successful flight of the first Indian launch vehicle, SLV-3, in 1980. Answer. A. The launch of Aryabhata, the first Indian satellite, in 1975. Explanation. Aryabhata was launched using a Soviet rocket, marking the start of a fruitful collaboration between the two countries' space programs. This collaboration provided India with valuable technical expertise and helped accelerate its own space technology development. ISRO was established in 1969, but it wasn't until Aryabhata's launch that India truly entered the international space arena.